What is good, everybody? It is your girl Ari coming right back at you with another video, and today it is all about reusable crochet, and we're actually going to be using human hair today. Human hair crochet that is pre-looped. It's actually elastic bands that you see there. So this is a super easy style, and I'm actually going to be doing this on a cap so that it's just even easier to reuse. So take notes. This is just like a simple crochet method, nothing special, and I'm actually going to like time it to show you guys how long it took. It really didn't take a lot of time. Here is like a little defect that happened with one of them. Thank God it only happened with one. I tried to like still use it, but it just didn't work with the elastic not being stitched. So I just used another one. So if it's busted, I mean, you could try, but to me it didn't work. So I just put it at the side and I use it for the top of my head. So I didn't start all the way at the bottom of the cap because you realize that the hair is actually not that much. It doesn't come with a lot of hair in the pack, and I only took 6 packs thinking it would be more full. So this is 1 pack here alone. This is 2 packs right here. This is 3. 4, 5 packs, and this is actually 6 packs, and I just left over some because I had a feeling that I would need to cover up that band, which I really did, so I'm happy I left over some here. So leave some here over, and this is how long it took. Just 41 minutes, guys. It was really quick, and I'm pretty sure some of y'all could do it quicker than me. So I went ahead and parted my hair. My camera was just being really annoying, so I just couldn't like film all that. So I'm just taking my time to show you this parting pattern. Pause it if you need to and go ahead with that. I'm just taking some edge control. This here and the edge control is from Ebonyline.com. I'll be leaving all the links in the description box so you could get everything in the description box, so don't worry about that. And I just put like a lot of edge control, and I really like this edge control because it's not too compact or strong like the Beauty Bella pomade, which is amazing, but I needed something more that would give me more waves, and this is exactly what this did. It made my hair look more wavy, it's smooth. And then I'm just going to take elastics, and I think I doubled my elastic or tripled them, and I'm just going to like do a very loose twist and then create a bantu knot. Oh, and the stocking cap I used is brown, but I eventually changed that to black because brown is a horrible idea, because then if anything, the hair, like the brown would show through the cap because the cap has holes. So use a black cap or whatever cap that blends in with the hair. This is why I use the cap. The cap is just so much easier. I'm going to use the combs to put it in. Nothing gets attached to my hair, because if you crochet the cap if you crochet with the cap on your head, it might actually get attached to your head. You might crochet the hair through your braids. So I just like prefer doing it on a mannequin head and then placing it on your head afterwards. And this is how it looks, just plopped on, nothing done to it. The hair is so soft, it is crazy. Like I know it's human hair, but just because it's braiding hair, I wasn't used to the fact that, you know, it would be so soft and smooth, so easy to brush through. And here I'm just trying to tease the hair because I didn't want it to look too perfect. It looks a little too perfect, so I went in and I shaped it up. I didn't really shape it, I just kind of like made the top shorter, try to give it some layers so that it's not so flat. So then I just went ahead and I'm basically trying to figure out a way to get the extensions around my bantu knots just so that it could fall back on the cap, to make sure that no one is seeing any cap. Like, it's kind of hidden, but I just wanted to be sure. So I tried several ways. This is one of them that didn't really work, but I just wanted to show you that I tried it. This is another way I tried that I eventually just didn't use, just wrapping it around the bantu knot. But this is the way that really worked. So I put a few pieces of hair onto a bobby pin. The more hair you have, the better, because then you could actually really cover it a lot better. So I just pushed the bobby pin into my bantu knot, well, underneath the elastic, and then I just wrapped it around and then let it hang and cover the line of the wig cap, the crochet cap. Yeah, crochet cap. And that's it for this style. It was so quick, so easy. So now to style number 2. I'm just going to take off this cap and show you how easy it is to unhook this hair. There's no fast forward here, like this is just how easy the hair slipped out. And yeah, it just happened really quickly. Of course this is fast forward now, but yeah, it was just easy to get out. I just got an elastic that I cut. Maybe it was me, maybe it was a sister, but it was just in the house already cut, and I just put the loop through. But I'm like, this is gonna take too long to put each hair on the elastic individually, so I used a beater, and that's what it's called, right? A beater. And I just did the usual beating method with the hair, and it just made the process go so much faster. Like it cut it down more than half the time. And that's it. So now to deal with this craziness that's happening, I just loosed out my twists from the Bantu knots, and now I'm actually gonna braid it because I wanted my hair to just stay protected and really like just down. So I decided to do braids. So after I've braided my natural hair that is already parted, I'm just gonna like sleek up the back of my head now. My hair is like super short still in the back, so but I really wanted to do this style, so I just mixed Gorilla's Knot and Got to Be Glued clear gel because I really wanted a high bun, even though like I know my hair is still like kind of too short for the style, but hey, I just really wanted a high bun. So I just did my best to get it as sleek as possible by combining those two glues. It felt nasty in my hand, but it actually worked a lot better than Eco Styler would by itself. I wish I had more Eco Styler to actually combine with it, and I think it would have done an even better job. But we're just gonna do like a normal high bun. As you can see, I'm like struggling to like get that hair in there. And then I just went in with the Got to Be Freeze spray, just to make it even better. And then I took my wax strips that I got from Amazon. I am so happy I bought these wax strips. Go in the description box and buy yourself wax strips. I don't care if you think you don't need them. Go and buy them. They're better than head ties. Please, like, go do yourself a favor, click the link in the description box and buy wax strips. They're gonna come in so handy. Whether you're natural, relaxed, texturized, anything, you need those wax strips. And then I just put on this silk headscarf to go to bed. Now I'm just going to take those extra braids that are sticking out and put them in an elastic, and the ones that are too short, which are my side braids, I'm just going to pin them down with some bobby pins. Now we're going to go ahead and put on our ponytail. It was so easy. You just take it and you wrap it around your around your bun, and you just secure it as much as you want. And then do with it as you please. Initially, I wanted a ponytail, but I was not feeling how this ponytail was looking. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna do a bun instead. So I played around with a few techniques or a few methods. I tried wrapping it around, but here I found that the hair was too much. The bun was a little too big for me, so I went and took off some of the hair off the elastic. So you can see there's a lot less hair on the elastic right now. And this is going to help me to accomplish more of a top knot instead of such a huge bun. Yeah, so I just secured it with some more elastics. As you can see, the back of my head, like, it didn't really lay completely. I had to take some bobby pins and like pin down my hair at the back just to smooth it out a bit. But you know, I tried a little something. The wax strips did pretty good because my hair did not move. It's still stuck. I have to go wash it out now. For 4 days, my hair stayed like this. 4 days with that combination. And I'm just gonna trim the hairs that I pulled out to give that little bohemian, cute little messy curly hair effect. And then I'm gonna put in my little cuffs. I had gold and silver, so that's what I use. And that's literally it. This is me when I came back home. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, you comment down below, share it, subscribe of course, and put on that notification bell so you know when I come out with my new video. Congratulations to Ashley aka Fancy.aa on winning the giveaway prize of 4 Brazilian bundles. Thank you guys so much, all of you who participated. It was so much fun. Thank you for joining in the live. Yes, we will be doing another giveaway as we promised. Sorry we didn't come back with the new live video as we did promise the following day, but make sure you follow me on Instagram at ari.fitz and turn on this notification bell so you can know what's up when we come out and we're going to announce the new giveaway. Thank you guys so much for watching. I legit can't wait to see y'all in the next video, so I'll catch y'all later. Peace.